Hello everyone. Today I talk about the linking style. The rule one is consonant style and vowel style. For example, my name is because I 90902 5050 902 5050. The rule two is consonant style and consonant style. For example, warm milk, cold day. The rule three is the first T and Y. What's your name? What's your name? What's your job? What's your job? The next is S and Y. For example, miss you, kiss you. The next is Z and Y. How's your family? How's your family? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? The last is D and Y. I need you. I need you. I need you. How did you like it? How did you like it? Bye.